Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. In this video, basically we're gonna run this new feature I have added in my software instant data scraper, which was scrap Reddit comments. So basically what we're gonna do now, I have this I'm going to type any keyword like I want to say Nvidia, okay, Nvidia, and how many posts I want to scrap related to Nvidia. It's like I don't want to make this video longer, so you can scrap up to many posts you can scrap up to. It is up to you how many posts you want to scrap. So basically what we're going to do now, we're going to we scrap only three posts, for example. Okay, so three, not two. It will scrap three posts, not two. So now after this I'm gonna run the scraper and it start scraping data. It starts scraping data. Open the Reddit URL which contain the Nvidia pages, and wait for a few seconds. It will scroll down to view all kind of post, all posts related to Nvidia topic. Now this is the most fantastic tool. You can use it for later on. You can for find the trends, you can extract the comments, or you can send me a message in my comment section that how I can make this more better. So it will search all post. It takes some time. So it redirect to first post, and it usually start clicking on some buttons to view the content completely. It click on view more replies button. Yes, the data was scrapped and is safe in the files. And here is the console section would display about the comment. The it shows the logs, and this is the file. You can check this out. This is a Reddit comments data JSON file. I'm gonna view is as JSON. Yes, this is JSON file. Now you can check this out. That comments, author, post time, post title, the Reddit community, some issues. Don't worry, upvote, and these are the URLs. And the second thing, second, it's the tabular format. Now you can check this out. Okay, yes, this one is the yes. So this is the data of Reddit post I have recently scrapped, and now I'm gonna download the data. Download, yes, I'm gonna download this file, and this is author. Yes. So total of, don't worry, some issues with the data, but I can fix it later, don't worry about that. But this is how you can check this out, that how this will scrap the information from Reddit, and we're able to manage it. So this is overall for this video, another fantastic feature I have recently added, and you can check this out. This is Insta Data Scraper, and I'm continuously working and improving the application. The best tool I can build nowadays, using Scratch for the digital marketers and freelancers and the data engineers. So I hope you really enjoy the videos. Thank you very much.